Hey there, Hung here, and welcome back to AI and Testing Coach. Today, we're exploring some practical techniques you can use right away, from building your own AI testing team to securing your LLM features. Let's get into it. First up is a really cool case study from a team at OpenObserve. They built what they call a council of sub-agents, basically a team of 8 specialized AI agents that work together on QA tasks. Instead of one big do-everything AI, they created specialists for things like writing tests, analyzing results, and identifying flaky ones. The results were incredible. They more than doubled their test suite, reduced flaky tests by 85%, and cut down their feature analysis time from an hour to just 5 minutes. Here's the practical takeaway. If you're thinking about using AI agents, don't just use one general model. Think about breaking your testing process into smaller jobs and assigning a specialized regulation of the testing. Regulation of you could have one agent for generating test data, another for writing Cypress tests, and a third for summarizing bug reports. It's a much more powerful approach. Now here's another technique you'll find useful, especially if you're working with large language models. The open source tool PromptFoo just released a powerful new feature for security red teaming. It automatically tests your LLM for over 50 different types of vulnerabilities. Things like prompt injection, leaking personal information, or generating harmful content. It even maps its tests to the OWASP top 10 for LLMs, which is fantastic for compliance. For testers, this is a game changer. Manually trying to break an LLM just doesn't scale. With this, you can automate it and run it right in your CI/CD pipeline. Here's something to try. Take one of your app's LLM features and run PromptFoo's basic jailbreak check. It gives you a systematic way to find security holes before your users do. Building on that, let's talk about the bigger picture. A company called Test4 just published a great framework for the entire AI application testing lifecycle. This is so important because testing AI is a different beast than traditional software. The model's behavior can change, it's based on probabilities, and the quality of your data is everything. This framework gives you a roadmap, covering everything from data quality validation before training, to model validation, all the way to monitoring for drift and bias in production. It moves us away from just making things up as we go. My suggestion is to take a look at this framework and map your current AI testing activities against it. It's a simple exercise that will immediately show you where the gaps in your process are. All right, let's shift to something really practical for developers and automation engineers, test-driven development, or TDD for LLMs. This is another area where the PromptFoo tool has a fantastic tutorial. It shows you how to stop relying on subjective vibe checks for your prompts and start using concrete automated tests. You can define test cases with specific assertions. For example, the response must contain a JSON object, or the response must not mention a specific competitor. This lets you create a suite of tests that give you a clear pass or fail. Pretty neat, right? You can run these tests every time you change a prompt to catch regressions instantly. This moves prompt engineering from an art to a science, which is exactly where we need it to be for enterprise-grade quality. Here's my challenge for you this week. I want you to get hands-on with LLM security testing. Go to the PromptFoo website and set up its red teaming tool to test one LLM feature in your application. It's an open source tool, so it's free to use. Start with the harmful plugin to check for inappropriate content generation. It takes about 15 minutes to configure, and it will immediately give you a report on how your AI handles adversarial inputs. It's a small step that delivers huge insight. That's our session for today. Keep experimenting, and I'll see you next time.